Today we are going to be making the most amazing Cajun style shrimp and grits you have ever had in your life, baby. Not just any regular grits. We are going to be throwing some smoked Gouda cheese. It's going to be extra creamy. Guys, this is just going to be everything. I cannot wait for you guys to try it. Let's not waste any time. You already know time is money, baby. Let's get on to the recipe. Let go. So you are going to begin by not being clumsy like me and actually getting all of your chicken broth into a pot. You're gonna top it off, turn your heat to high. We want this to come to a simmer. And once it comes to a simmer, that is when we are gonna get our grits into this pot right here. We are using the old-fashioned grits. You wanna go ahead and pour it in very slowly, and you wanna whisk as they come in. You don't want lumpy grits. Lumpy grits are a no bueno, okay? No good. So go ahead and continuously whisk it up while you're pouring your grits in there. And once you have everything in there, you are gonna just toss in a little pinch of salt and pepper, and you're gonna top it off and lower your heat to a low, okay? Low heat, guys, very important. And we're gonna put this to the side while we work on the rest of our recipe. Moving on, I have myself about a pound of some jumbo shrimp, peeled and deveined, tail off. You can use any size shrimp you're choosing, but I love me some jumbo shrimp. We drop a little bit of oil on them, and you know we got to season them up proper. On the screen, I have listed everything you need to do so, and of course, it will be listed in the description box as well. So go ahead and give that a mix. And moving on, I have my pan to about a medium high. I drizzle a little bit of oil into the pan, and we're gonna toss in some chopped up andouille sausage, baby. This adds a wonderful, wonderful flavor to this dish. I love it. A wonderful flavor and dimension to this dish right here. Please believe me. So go ahead and cook your andouille sausage all the way. And once it is fully cooked, you wanna go ahead and remove it from the heat and put it off to the side. And in this same pan, we can't waste all this wonderful flavor in this pan. We are gonna toss our shrimp right on in. And obviously the andouille sausage release a lot of oil and a lot of fat into this pan right here, and that's what we're using to sear up that shrimp right here, okay? So go ahead and let your shrimp sear for about, let's say, 3 minutes or so per side. And right here is that first flip, and our shrimp is looking so beautiful so far. Almost there, almost ready to bust down. Go ahead and let it cook again for about 3 minutes on that other side as well. So here we are, our shrimp is ready to go. We're gonna go ahead and remove that from the pan, just like so. And again, we're just adding to the goodness on the bottom of this pan right here. I am gonna add just a tad little bit more oil. We're gonna toss in some onion. We're gonna toss in some celery. We're gonna toss in some green bell peppers. And we're also gonna toss in some minced garlic. You wanna actually have your heat to about a medium at this point. And you're just gonna let this go for a couple of minutes. You're gonna stir it. You're gonna casually get a lot of that goodness from the bottom of the pan mixed in. And once you are looking like this, you're gonna toss in a little bit of all-purpose flour. And you do wanna cook that flour for a little bit because you don't want that raw flour taste, okay? So go ahead and just mix it, fry it up with all of this goodness right here that we have in the pan. And after that, we are gonna toss in a little bit of chicken broth right into our pan. And we are creating the most amazing gravy right here, please believe me. Once you have this to a simmer, you are then gonna reintroduce your andouille sausage. You're gonna reintroduce your shrimp to the party. You're gonna mix it up and get all of these wonderful, wonderful flavors talking amongst each other, guys. Look at this right here. You cannot tell me this does not look good. OMG, stop playing with me. This right here is just straight pressure. So we have this out of the way. We got to double back to our grits. The time is up. We let it go for about 10 to 15 minutes. This is how you should be looking. You do want to stir occasionally while it's cooking. We're gonna toss in a couple tablespoons of some butter. We are also gonna shred in some of that smoked Gouda cheese, but first I am gonna toss in a little splash of some heavy cream to get it nice and creamy how we want it, of course. And after we get that cream in there, we are then gonna shred in that amazing smoked Gouda cheese. You can use any cheese of your choosing, mild cheddar. You know, I just wanted to be a little fancy and toss in that smoked Gouda. I feel like it adds a really, really huge dimension of flavor right here to our grits. So go ahead and get that in there, give it a mix, and our grits are pretty much done. Everyone, you are ready to bust down, you're ready to plate up, and you know I gotta hit you with that amazing B-roll, so that's what I am about to do. Ladies and gentlemen, we are looking good, smelling good, and I am too excited to dig into this one, baby. Wow. Without further ado, let's dig in. Yo, these grits are so creamy, so flavorful. My goodness. And that gravy? Stop playing with your boy. Cheers, everybody. Let me tell you, everybody, we have a harmony of flavors, guys, and they are just singing oh so perfectly in tune with one another. This is beautiful right here, and you gotta give this a try. Ain't no ifs, ands, or buts about it. This is bomb.com, 10 out of 10. Must try it again and again, and this will definitely be on repeat in your kitchen. Please believe me. I hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. If you're new to the channel, of course, subscribe. Rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest video. Of course, leave your boy a like so YouTube knows you're loving the content, and I will be sure to see each and every single one of you all on the next video. Deuces.